All right, Valentine's is coming up. OMG, 2025 Valentine's. And you're looking for a gift for your husband, boyfriend, or friend. And let me tell you, this is the best 6 gifts for him in your life. All right, first and foremost, I reviewed every single tire pressure gauge on Amazon pretty much, and this is the best one. And let me tell you, when you get a gift like this for him, he's gonna love this because this is supremely well made. This is a racing company. It looks good, and when he goes out there and checks the tire pressure on his truck or sports car or even on your car, he's gonna appreciate that he has a very nice tire pressure gauge that benefits everyone. So this is good. And let me tell you, all of these are gonna be a link in the description. Now we're gonna be moving on to the next thing. So I don't know about you, but I love music. And sometimes, setting up certain things is a pain in the butt. Having this is so good. You could take this speaker box or pill or portable Bluetooth speaker system. You could take this anywhere. For a guy, this is great because you could take it in the boat with you. You could set it outside when you're working on the lawn. You could put it in the garage. You could take it with you to a workplace. This is so cool. And let me tell you, this is something that every person, not only a guy, everyone loves to be able to take their music with them. And this is really cool. Now, this is JBL's speaker, and this is called the Flip 6, and it has a really good sound to it. It's got a nice battery, and it sounds really good. Again, very good idea for a gift. All right, so the next item is going to be incredible. This is a knee pad. And I can't tell you how important this is. This is literally one of the best things I've ever purchased in my life. It doesn't matter if you're working in the kitchen sink, if you're working on a car, if you're working on the lawn, this is a game changer. And if you buy it for your significant other, I'm telling you, they're gonna use it all the time. They're gonna appreciate it. And this is gonna be one of those things that's like, how did I live without this? This is a great gift because this gift keeps on giving in a good way. This becomes the go-to gift for someone. We don't know how technically inclined your significant other is, but a multimeter is a must-have. If you don't know how to use it, I highly recommend that they learn how to use it. But most men or guys out there will know how to use a multimeter. And getting them a nice one, an extra one, is going to be an extra touch, especially if you know that your significant other works in those fields. Maybe they're a technician or they work with their hands or they're fixing stuff. This is a nice gift, and this is a really good multimeter. This is one of the best-selling, most reliable multimeters I've ever purchased in my life. And this is cool because if you get them this gift, they'll be like, all right, it was very thoughtful. It kind of shows that you're paying attention to what he does. So now if your fellow significant other is into cars, a carbon fiber license plate is the way to go. And a real carbon fiber license plate is really awesome. So this one says Lamborghini on it, but the one that I'm gonna recommend is just a clear one, like the one on my car like this. And it's just a carbon fiber frame. It's just a nice gift. Now, I'm gonna be putting in the description either for 2-hole or 4-hole. And what that means is that you have 2 holes in the top or you have 4 holes. Just make sure you buy the right one. And our final product is gonna be a trim kit. And again, this is all stuff that guys are gonna absolutely love and they're gonna use. And this trim kit right here, it's designed to remove certain things that are plastic. It doesn't matter if it's like an RC car parts or an interior of a car. This is just a different type of tool that you could use to work around stuff so you don't hurt it. So to give you an example, they do offer one in the kit that's metal, but see, if you put metal on plastic, you're gonna hurt it. And the reason why these trim kits are good is because whenever you're removing something, the plastic won't really damage the plastic. It's kind of like a material versus material thing. So this is a really good kit. It's called the trim kit. All of this stuff is not only gonna benefit him, but gonna benefit everyone because probably gonna be fixing something in the house and in the garage. This is stuff that's gonna go a long way to help everyone out. This is a very functional utility type of gifts that, trust me, guys appreciate. So all of this is gonna be in the description. I'm gonna write what it is and link on it, an Amazon affiliated link. I recommend that you look at what you think is gonna be best and order it, and trust me, he's gonna be happy.